Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Okay, today we will start social technology book for grade 3, and we will do the lesson number 2, the early humans. Okay, in the previous video we have discussed the early humans in very detail. So we will do the reading session in today's video. We will read out page number 2 and 3. Now let's start the reading. Millions of years ago, humans had no homes to live in. They lived in caves or forests. Both these places were dangerous. So you have to underline this line. They lived in caves or forest. The early humans do not live in homes like we live in our homes. They live in caves and forest, and both were very dangerous places. The early humans had no clothes. They covered their bodies with leaves and the bark of trees. Okay, they don't have clothes like we do have right now, cotton and silk like these. They only have the clothes made up of bark, leaves, or the skin of animals, so they don't have proper clothes. As time passed, humans learned to use dried skins of hunted wild animals to cover their bodies and to protect themselves from heat and cold. As the time passes, gradually they know how to hunt animals, wild animals. When they start hunting, they use the skin of animals to protect themselves from heat and cold. They make clothes from animal skin like leather, and they wear it. The early humans hunted wild animals and ate their flesh raw, and also ate wild fruits and the roots of plants. Okay, they don't eat cooked food. They only eat the raw material, raw flesh, wild fruits or roots. They don't know how to cook food. With the passage of time, humans learned to light fire. It probably happened by accident when someone rubbed two stones together quickly. Sparks came out which could burn dry grass or leaves. It was an accident. By chance, they rubbed two stones very fastly, and what they felt that there is a spark, and they use that spark to burn dry grass or leaves. This was a great invention and changed human history. This is how light or fire was invented. Fire could be used to cook food and also to keep warm. As humans developed they tamed wild animals like horses, dogs, sheep, goats and cows. जैसे जैसे उन्हें रहना आने लगा, सीखने लगे, तो उन्होंने क्या किया, दे ट्रेंड ऑल दीज एनिमल्स, horses, dogs, sheep, goats and cows. They trained them to live with them. These animals, जैसे अभी हम पेट एनिमल्स रखते हैं, डॉग्स रखते हैं, कैट्स रखते हैं, इसी तरह दे स्टार्टेड training these animals to be their pet animals. These animals were of great use. Goats and cows gave them milk, and dogs helped them keep safe. Yes, later on, humans learned to melt metals such as copper and iron. From those molten metals, they made useful tools and weapons like the axe, spear, sickle, bow and arrow, hammer, and club. These were used to hunt animals or to fight enemies. Later on, they started making their own weapons to protect themselves. The early humans used to migrate from one place to another place in search of food. This stopped when humans learned how to grow food. They started sowing seeds of plants which they liked to eat. They settled in one place and started building houses. In the early history, what do the people do? They migrate from one place to another. They have to change the places. Then gradually they know how to plant food, vegetables, fruits, and then they started to settle the nearby areas where they can grow plants and vegetables, so that they don't have to migrate. With the passage of time, the early humans learned painting, writing, reading, doing math, and forming complex social organization. All of these things gave birth to civilization. Okay, next is the definition of civilization, and you have to underline it. A civilization is a complex society which includes the building of houses and cities, division of labor between different sections of society, and invention of different forms of communication. This is the complete definition of civilization. Okay. After the invention of fire, after the invention of weapons, they gradually learn how to write things, how to do the reading work, and then they develop a community. They develop houses, they built up houses, and they started to live in a very formal way. We can see that it took humans millions of years to reach our present stage of development and civilization, and it is essential to learn about our history and to understand it better. Okay, you have to keep reading these pages for about 2 to 3 times and underline all the difficult words which you do not understand. Okay, and keep reading it so you can develop the understanding of this chapter. Now your home task is to read the page number 2 and 3, complete the exercise on page number 4, and complete the project on page number 5. If there is any problem, any query, you can contact us on our school number. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.